Racing just is started. We have Clean Air break quickly at a start. Rushing up na Warrior outside is King Rampire Cats. Diamond comes next. Madam Dixie. Then next online is Conqueror's Magic. And on the outside is G.I. Jane. Then down on the inside is Top Meat. Boomerang comes next. Running by the release advance notice while Carmelo is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Clean Air by about half length. King Rampire in second, 4 lengths further back in third comes Cats Diamond. Conqueror's Magic is racing in fourth. Madam Dixie, Top Meat. Then next on lane is G.A. Jane. Boomerang advance notice while Carmelo is still running at the tail of the field. And at the fourth turn, we have Clean Air by our length and a half. King Rampire Cats Diamond to take second. Then comes Madam Dixie. Top Meat advance notice. Conqueror's Magic comes next. Boomerang G.A. Jane. While Carmelo still racing in last as they swing for Cats Diamond now takes command. Clean Air dropping back in second. Last 100 meters. We have Cats Diamond clear and Top Meat is on the outside, but it's still Cats Diamond. Second is Top Meat. Clean Air advance notice. Then comes number 9 King Rampire, Madam Dixie.
All right, so it